Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Deep Dive Knowledge. Hello. I heard about the openAI Dev Day and the new features that were released. Can you tell me more about them?
Certainly. At the openAI Dev Day, several new features were announced. One of the key highlights was the launch of the Assistance API, which allows developers to build assistive experiences in their own applications. This API enables users to have rich text or voice conversations with AI-powered assistants. Additionally, openAI introduced GPTs, generative pre-trained transformers, which are custom versions of ChatGPT. These GPTs combine instructions, extended knowledge, and actions to provide more interactive and dynamic conversational experiences. Another significant announcement was the introduction of the GPT-4 Turbo model. This model offers improved function calling, knowledge, lowered pricing, and supports new modalities like voice and vision capabilities. It is designed to be more efficient and powerful in assisting users. Lastly, openAI mentioned deepening their partnership with Microsoft, indicating a collaborative effort to push the boundaries of AI development further. These new features aim to enhance the capabilities of AI agents, provide more interactive and assistive experiences, and empower developers to create innovative applications.
Thank you for the overview of the new features announced at the openAI Dev Day. It seems like openAI is making significant advancements in AI technology. However, I have a few questions and concerns regarding these features. Firstly, with the launch of the Assistance API, how does openAI ensure the privacy and security of user conversations? As AI-powered assistants become more prevalent, it is critical to address any potential risks associated with storing and processing user data. Secondly, you mentioned that the GPT-4 Turbo model offers improved function calling and knowledge. Could you provide more details on how these improvements have been achieved and how they enhance the overall performance of the model? It would be interesting to understand the technical aspects behind these advancements. Lastly, while the introduction of voice and vision capabilities in the GPT-4 Turbo model sounds promising, what are the limitations or challenges that openAI has encountered in integrating these modalities? Is there a trade-off in terms of model complexity or computational requirements? I look forward to hearing your insights on these matters.
OpenAI takes privacy and security of user conversations very seriously with the launch of the Assistance API. According to the report, OpenAI implements several measures to ensure the protection of user data. Firstly, the API provides developers with the ability to have full control over the data shared with the model. This means that developers can choose what data is sent to the model and what data is stored, ensuring that sensitive information is not exposed unnecessarily. Secondly, openAI has designed the Assistance API to not store any user data after 30 days. This helps to minimize the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access to user conversations. Furthermore, the API employs encryption to secure the transmission of data between the user and the model. This ensures that the conversations are protected from interception or unauthorized access during transit. Lastly, openAI has implemented rigorous security measures to safeguard the infrastructure and systems hosting the Assistance API. This includes regular security audits, monitoring, and access controls to prevent unauthorized access to user data. By implementing these privacy and security measures, openAI aims to provide users with a safe and secure experience when utilizing the Assistance API.
Thank you for addressing my concerns regarding privacy and security. It's reassuring to know that openAI has taken steps to protect user data by providing control over the data shared with the model. implementing data retention policies, and employing encryption for secure transmission. Moving on to the improvements in the GPT-4 Turbo model. I'm still curious about the specifics of the enhanced function calling and knowledge. How exactly has OpenAI improved the function calling capabilities of the model? Is it based on a predefined set of functions? Or does the model have the ability to dynamically learn and execute new functions? Additionally, when it comes to knowledge, what sources is the GPT-4 Turbo model leveraging to enhance its understanding and information retrieval? Is it relying on pre-existing datasets? Or does it have the capacity to continuously learn from new data sources? Understanding these details would provide a clearer picture of how OpenAI has enhanced the functionality and knowledge of the GPT-4 Turbo model. Thank you for your insights so far.
OpenAI has made significant improvements to the function calling capabilities in the GPT-4 Turbo model. The model is now much better at following instructions in general and can handle multiple function calls at once. This means that developers can call many functions in a single prompt, allowing for more complex and interactive interactions with the model. However, it is important to note that the GPT-4 Turbo model does not have the ability to dynamically learn and execute new functions on its own. The model's capabilities are based on the training data it has been provided with, and it cannot learn new functions or execute them without prior knowledge. In other words, the model's function calling abilities are limited to the functions it has been pre-trained on and cannot be expanded dynamically.
Thank you for clarifying the capabilities of the function calling in the GPT-4 Turbo model. It's interesting to know that the model has improved in following instructions and handling multiple function calls simultaneously. Regarding the knowledge enhancement in the GPT-4 Turbo model, I'm curious about the sources from which the model gathers its world knowledge. Are these sources primarily based on pre-existing datasets? Or does the model have the ability to continuously learn from new data sources to stay up to date with the latest information? Furthermore, considering the vast amount of data available on the Internet, is there a mechanism in place to ensure the reliability and accuracy of the information that the model retrieves? It's crucial to address the potential biases or misinformation that might exist in the training data and how OpenAI mitigates them. Understanding the sources and reliability of the model's knowledge would provide insights into the level of trust and accuracy we can place in the GPT-4 Turbo model. Thank you for your time and expertise.
According to the presentation, the GPT-4 Turbo model has been enhanced with better world knowledge. OpenAI acknowledges the importance of having access to up-to-date information and is actively working to improve the knowledge cutoff of their models. While GPT Turbo has knowledge up to April 2023, OpenAI aims to update and improve the model's knowledge over time. To ensure accuracy and reliability, OpenAI is implementing retrieval in the platform. This means that users can bring in knowledge from external documents or databases to augment the model's understanding. By incorporating information from diverse sources, OpenAI aims to mitigate potential biases or misinformation that may exist in the training data. It is important to note that OpenAI understands the need to address the limitations and potential biases of AI models. They recognize the responsibility to move forward thoughtfully and are committed to taking the necessary technical measures and seeking input from society to ensure the safe and ethical deployment of AI technologies. While the presentation did not provide specific details on the mechanisms implemented to ensure reliability and accuracy, OpenAI's commitment to iterative deployment and ongoing updates based on user feedback suggests a proactive approach to address these concerns.
Thank you for providing additional information on the knowledge enhancement in the GPT-4 Turbo model. It's good to know that OpenAI acknowledges the importance of keeping the model's knowledge up to date and is actively working to improve the knowledge cutoff. The incorporation of retrieval in the platform to allow users to bring in external knowledge is a promising approach to address potential biases or misinformation. By leveraging diverse sources, the model's understanding can be augmented, thereby enhancing the reliability and accuracy of its responses. I appreciate OpenAI's commitment to addressing limitations and potential biases, as well as their dedication to seeking input from society for the safe and ethical deployment of AI technologies. It's crucial to have a proactive approach and iterative deployment to ensure that AI models are reliable and trustworthy. Thank you for providing valuable insights into these aspects.